We are back in the woods. We just came to our second location. The fruit forest is what we like to call it. This is where we're going to harvest wild apples, choke cherries, and plums, hopefully, and maybe more. Just keep our eyes open. They also got hawthorn berries here, so. Choke cherry galore.
Lots of choking on that.
That's for sure. Wild apple tree. Gonna harvest a little bit of these apples. Might be a little strong than a regular apple, but
Don't know what kind of apples these are. I'm not an apple tier or whatever.
I think they're the wild apple variety that was brought over from Europe.
Wow.
That they used to grow all over the place here.
This is
Then
really good.
People stopped eating them because we have better apples, quote unquote. But these are just fine to eat.
These are
Just kinda
great.
left to the wild now.
They're really sweet. I don't know what they're talking about.
I know they're good. They're still apples.
Mm-hmm.
Great for apple stuff like pies and
Oh, yeah.
apple smash. Good. Snack on some of these on our hike. Still plucking away at the choke cherries. Yum yum. Look at all the Oregon grapes.
How do they taste?
Sour. Very sour. But they're edible. Look at them all. They look kind of like grapes. But the leaves look like holly. They're evergreens. Oops, sorry. There's bear poo, black bear. They're out getting the berries. That's brand new too.
Yeah, and there's another pile down the pathway. Another one.
Well, we might be following a black bear. Yep. You can see where it's kicking up the soil too. Well, let's follow it. Oh, looks like he was knocking these down to get some fruit. Crazy bear. These are all Japanese knotweed berries. They're all edible. But they kind of taste the same as the Oregon grapes. They're a little sour. But
Let's try it out.
they're not fully ripe. You can give it a try. It might taste a little more sour than usual, but they'll be ready. You can still harvest them in December. Pretty sour.
Yeah, definitely very sour. A little bit tart, but yeah, very sour. You can do some of those though, because they got a good amount of sugar in them. And they're just
Totally. I think they're a bit
alone,
better.
just sour. I wonder if you could just cook them if they would kind of break down into more of a sugar kind of consistency.
Yeah, I think so. I agree.
That'd be good.
And they're better. I think they're better after the frost. Ooh. Bear poop. Found this apple tree. They're little tiny apples. I was wondering if they weren't fully ripe. They might not be, but right now, they taste pretty dang good. Pretty sweet.
Wow. How are these the sweetest ones we've found yet?
Alright. They're so tiny.
It's ridiculous. are so cute and so sweet. So sweet. Ugh.
Sorry, bears. Look at the plums. There's somebody there. Mmm. Delicious. Oh, the plums. Try to pick some. A lot of them are up real high. There we go. Beautiful plums.
They're very small. Not much to them. But when you're out here collecting a bunch, they add up. You can make some nice ciders with them. Jam, whatever. I mean, they're plums, right? Mmm. They're slightly sour, but it's normal. And those are usually the ones I prefer to brew anyway.
There's some for one of the bears left. Literally have been down here. Had to be down here today. Look, there's more poo right there. Very fresh. So you had to be here probably today, honestly. Probably earlier today. He was walking around. Some kind of cluster of white mushrooms. Don't know if they're edible or not, but sure a lot of them. They look really fresh too. They might be yellow stainers. Let's see. So they only grow a lot around here. But yeah, look at that. It's starting to stain yellow a bit. So I don't know. Not sure. One of those beach mullein boys. Really nice ones. Might as well take some leaves. Little stink bug. Another apple tree. Not a lot left on this one, but we'll try to get some. Oh, they're all too high. That's alright. Got some other apples. Getting up to do, get ready to do drink review. Yes, an ale. Pumpkin spice ale. He's never tried before, so if you want, check out the channel. He tries all sorts of drinks.
Johnny Casket.
Johnny Casket. Links up there.
Johnny Casket everywhere. I'll take it. Anyways, this one raked in at a 5% on the alcohol by volume scale. Do it the old-fashioned way. The way we used to do it back when we were children. Oh, that's pretty good. Smells like an ale. But that pumpkin.
What a chicken wing. It's so slippery. Trying to feed the ducks.
Her name is Ducky Ducklet.
Ducky Ducklet. She's very photogenic. She loves the cameras on her.
She likes wetting their hair with the water.
That's right.
Flipping it
She's
back.
a model.
Oh yeah.
All the other male ducks better watch out. And females. So we've discovered something. High bush cranberry. Now these are fruits that you would harvest after the frost. So you can harvest them around Christmas time in December. They taste like crap when they're before the frost. The frost softens them up. And we got one right over here. So we'll have to come back here after the frost. These guys right here. High bush cranberry. There's a few of them too. So we'll have to come back in the after the frosts to harvest some cranberries. You can see big bundles up there. So that would be really cool. That's something totally new that we have not harvested yet. We'll have to wait to the winter. So there you go. Learn something new every time we come out here. Quartz. Beautiful. Hello, sweetie. Baby white-tailed deer. There's two babies. So there's probably a mother, so probably keep our distance for a bit until they walk past.
Couple baby deer.
Beautiful.
Little fawns.
Hey. For no harm. Because they come out, the deer come to drink at the lake around this time of day and around sunset. Because it's cooler, they stay up and they hide in the shade usually during the day when the hot days.
Yeah, right.
This is hunter tactics. They know this stuff that they come down in the evening to drink. I don't see the mother yet,
No, me either.
but she must not be far behind.
Big tree.
We found the mother. She's all the way up top in the parking lot. Don't know why. Her babies are pretty far down. There she is. There's like actual bears walking around. You know that, right? Why aren't you going to your babies? We've seen so much bear scat here. Come on.
Hi. How are you? Doing okay? Really drooling there. Holy crap.
Yeah, she's eating something.
Drooling like crazy.
Is it good? Num num num. Glad you like it.
She's eating some of those apples that we dropped.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go. Yeah, tasty. Have a good day. Go get your babies. Well, we've made it back to the car. And it's time to get out of here. We made it to the top. And we're tired out. That was an awesome harvest. A lot of good stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already.
Check out my
And,
channel as
yeah,
well.
check out his channel.
Johnny Casket.
Check it out. Links
If you
in
wanna-
the description.
Just watch me drink beer for the first time. Over
Yeah.
and over and over again.
Different
Yeah.
kinds.
Different kinds.
Different
yes.
kinds. So, but yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.